Hello, it's time to practice growing and repeating patterns. For the first few slides, you'll see a pattern. You'll decide what comes next in the pattern. To show your answer, do the exercise shown under your answer choice. Keep doing that exercise until the correct answer is revealed. If you need a little extra time, press the pause button at the bottom of the screen. When you're ready to continue, press play. Are you ready? Let's go. Take a look at this pattern using arrows and smiley faces. What comes next in the pattern? If you think an arrow comes next in the pattern, jog in place. If you think a smiley face comes next in the pattern, do mountain climbers. An arrow comes next in this repeating pattern. You should be jogging in place. Take a look at this pattern using hearts and smiley faces. What comes next in the pattern? If you think a heart comes next, do jumping jacks. If you think a smiley face comes next, do arm circles. A smiley face comes next in this pattern. You should be doing arm circles. Look at this pattern using a sun and clouds. What comes next in the pattern? If you think it's a sun, do push-ups. If you think it's a cloud, jog in place. The sun comes next in this pattern. This was a tricky one. It's a growing pattern. If you look at the pattern parts, there's one sun, one cloud, two suns, one cloud, three suns, one cloud. The next part of the pattern would be four suns. You see three suns, so you would need to add one more. Let's try another. What comes next in the pattern? If you think it's an arrow pointing to the side, do squats. If you think it's an arrow pointing down, do windmills. An arrow pointing down comes next in this pattern. You should be doing windmills. This was another growing pattern. Let's change things up a little bit. I want you to exercise this pattern and then do the exercise that comes next in the pattern. Squat, squat, jumping jack. Squat, squat, jumping jack. Squat, squat. Exercise what comes next. You should be doing a jumping jack. Let's try again. You'll do the exercise that comes next in this pattern. Jump, arm circle. Jump, jump, arm circle. Jump, 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 arm circle. Jump. What comes next? Exercise your answer. You should be jumping. Again, this was another growing pattern. Do the exercise that comes next in the pattern. Push up, Superman stretch. Push up, Superman stretch. Push up. Exercise what comes next in this pattern. doing a Superman stretch. Complete this exercise pattern. Heel raise, heel raise, squat, squat, heel raise, heel raise, squat, squat. This was a repeating pattern. Complete this exercise pattern. Do this one with me. It's tricky. Cross crawl, cross crawl, jumping jack, arm circle, cross crawl, cross crawl, jumping jack, arm circle. If you wanted to extend this pattern, what would the next 4 exercises be? Do them. Cross crawl, cross crawl, jumping jack, arm circle. Now it's your turn. Use 2 of your favorite exercises to create a growing pattern. You can choose from the list or feel free to use any of your own. Press pause at the bottom of the screen to give yourself plenty of time. When you're ready to continue, press play. Thank you for participating today. We hope you had fun exercising your body, your brain, by practicing growing and repeating patterns.